Hey, 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 good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we have cooking, because it is Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays. And today I am showing you just how easy it is to make beer cheese. So grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Alright, you're gonna need to get out a food processor. You're gonna be needing 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese, and I go ahead and chunk yours all up. I just left mine whole so it's easier to show for the video. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of honey Dijon mustard, and then I have in here the equivalency of 1 small chopped up garlic. You're gonna need, what was it, I believe it was 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to be needing 2/3 cups of beer. Okay, as you see, I went ahead and I cubed up all of the cheddar cheese. Now we're going to put it in the food processor, and we're going to sit there and allow the food processor to finally chop up the cheese. Let's go ahead and add the Worcestershire. Now, I like to give it a blend or two in between mixing up all the other ingredients. Okay, the honey Dijon mustard. The minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Two-thirds cup beer. Now, you gotta get some fried chips or whatever cracker you would like to put yours on. Now, I'm just gonna go in here and just grab some. Ooh, look at that. Look. Perfect. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna have the old man dip in and give it a taste test.
Oh wow. Pretty good, Mama.
Thank you.
Twice. Later.
Now, I fixed up a platter. And doesn't that look delicious? Oh my God. So be sure to share, like, and subscribe today. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, hey, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go up, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my video, and y'all have a good day, and here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?